Is your IKEA dishwasher refusing to drain? You're not alone. As of 2025, drainage issues are a common concern, particularly in models like the Renlig, Skinad, and Metal Store series. First, check for any error codes on your dishwasher's display. Codes like E15, E22, and E24 often indicate drainage problems. E15 means water in the base pan, E22 indicates blocked filters, and E24 suggests a drain hose problem. Begin by removing the bottom dish rack and unscrewing the cylindrical filter assembly. Separate the coarse and fine filters, cleaning them thoroughly with warm water and a soft brush. Inspect for any cracks or damage before reassembling. This filter cleaning process addresses the majority of drainage issues. Next, disconnect the power supply and access the drain hose connection, usually located behind the dishwasher. Inspect the hose for kinks, clogs, or any visible damage. Ensure the hose is properly looped, maintaining a minimum height of 60 centimeters to prevent backflow. Try testing the water flow through the hose using a garden hose to identify any blockages. Addressing these common issues can resolve up to 85% of drainage problems. These simple troubleshooting steps are highly effective for most IKEA dishwasher drainage issues. When filter cleaning and hose inspection don't resolve drainage issues, the problem likely lies with the dishwasher pump. The first step is to listen carefully for pump operation during the drain cycle. If you don't hear the pump running, check the pump housing for debris that might be blocking operation. Remove any visible obstructions carefully. For a thorough electrical check, use a multimeter to test the pump's electrical continuity. This will help determine if the pump motor has failed electrically. Also, inspect the impeller for damage or obstructions. The impeller is the rotating component that moves water through the pump system. It's important to note that IKEA recalled 15,000 Renlig dishwashers in 2024 due to premature pump failures caused by a manufacturing defect in the impeller assembly. To prevent future drainage issues, establish a monthly maintenance routine. This includes cleaning and inspecting the filter assembly regularly. Dr. Sarah Mitchell, an appliance engineering specialist, recommends that regular filter cleaning every 2 to 4 weeks can prevent 80% of drainage problems. Finally, consider scheduling an annual professional inspection for a comprehensive check of hoses, connections, pump performance, and the electrical system to ensure optimal dishwasher operation.